Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's advice to the officials. Warning. Uday bin Umar narrated that I heard from the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that whoever of you had been appointed as official was to be responsible for a task. If he did hide needle or something more or less from it, this would be dishonesty. He would come along with his dishonesty on the day of judgment. Sirat Khairul Abad. Narrated by thoughts that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent him to collect alms. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Abu al-Walid, fear Allah on the day of judgment. Do not bring a camel that you are carrying and it was making a sound, or a cow that is making a sound, or a goat that is making a sound. Bahiki 7664. It is narrated from Abu Hamid al-Sadi that he said, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed a person called Abdullah ibn Atiba as zakat official, so that he collect alms in Banu Salim. When he came, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam audited his account. He deposited alms amount and said, these were my gifts. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why don't you stay at your parents' house even if your gifts is given to you? These would have come to you if you were true. Abi Shiaba 22313 Musnad Aham 4395. Narrated by Jarir bin Abdullah that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when a charity collector comes to you, when he leaves you, be pleased with him. Muslim 2494-2298. Narrated by Abdullah bin Abu Awfa, when a person came to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with his alms, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to make this supplication: O Allah, send your blessing upon so and so. My father went to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with his alms, and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Allah, send your blessings upon the offspring of Abu Awfa. Bukhari 14967. It is narrated from Abu Hamid al-Sadi that he said, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the gifts taken by alms collectors are the embezzlements. Musnad Ahmad 3496. Wama tawfiqi illa billah.